Okay, so in this session we will try to understand about difference of focal distance. Okay, suppose that we have horizontal hyperbola. This means hyperbola we have. Okay, so we call horizontal hyperbola as hyperbola, and we call vertical one as conjugate hyperbola. Okay, I hope these things are clear to you guys. Okay, now look at this. You know that this point is ae comma 0. This point is minus of ae comma 0. Now suppose that there is a point on the curve, this named as p, which is at x1 y1. This is, I'll write this as s, I'll write this as s dash. These two things are foci. Okay, now this this wing have this as its directrix, and this wing has this as its directrix, and you also know the equation x equals to a by e, x equals to minus of a by e. Okay, now as you all know that, like whenever there is requirement of finding focal distance, you know that we will not use the distance formula. Okay, rather we will be using this ps upon pm equals eccentricity. So I'll go with ps equals e times p of m. Okay, now try to understand this part. So we are interested in ps. Okay, so what we will do, we will take help of this situation. This would be pm. Now look at this. Now, so can I say that this length is x1 and I have to find out this length, correct? So from big length, total length, if I'll remove this one, don't you think we got our pm? Correct or wrong? So can I write ps as e times x1 minus a by e? Just tell me. You got your ps done. Now forget about these things. Now think about this situation. Now this distance I want to calculate. Correct? So you know that we will not go with ps, rather we will go with pm. So this time it is m. Okay? You know that ps is e times pm. Okay? Now look at this. Who is this one? This is x1, and I'm talking about distance, so distance would be positive one. Okay, so can I say that ps dash will be e times x1 plus a by e? I'm talking about distance, that's why I am taking positive things. Correct? So you got ps, you got ps dash. Now what is required thing? We have to find magnitude of ps minus ps dash. Let's go through it. So you know that in both the parameters you have e as common. So I'll take e common and we will be left with x minus a by e, means x1, minus of x1 minus of a by e. Correct? Now this thing gone. So we got minus of 2a, and we guys are talking about magnitude, so can I say that it is 2a? Okay, so in this case when we guys are handling hyperbola, so we got difference of focal distance as pa. If we will handle conjugate hyperbola, it was like this hyperbola is taken, like we used to take help of horizontal ellipse. In horizontal ellipse a is bigger, so you can connect with this a, and vertical is what, like conjugate hyperbola is taking from informations from uh, vertical ellipse, so you can take help of that part and you can call it as 2b. This is also the definition of hyperbola. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable.